Siporo mukagikwatsa amani abokuba urutwabaye n'ishomero omukushaba kwaitu kakutakwasa kuraba mwabo kandi kwenda abantu baingi kandi abantu abatutain. So thank you for supporting this school. Abazaire ba Kiringa mukareka hishomereri hatu numureba umutindo kumwarishitya ngenda kwebaza head teacher and the teachers have grade zezo kandi mu sustaining ate nindeba muri murayine mwena Burunga you almost got the same first grades, but we need more. Ninyenda ku bishop na mwebaza mnonga kunga yagenda okutunga bishop amukuru mutajyamu n'icya kutosha mwebaza mnonga na kanoni mwebare mnonga. Ninyenda kwebaza bazaire banje nyenda kwebaza Yesoni aho kwikiza mu gatimbo mu itakarye nani gushaba ngo ojaha bakutera mu ngaro. Is the one who provided us with the source where water comes from. My father down there is the landlord, otherwise he would have said that Iksiba mnonga mwebare mnonga mutero mu ngaro. And my mother umkekuru abukuba yayenare mu mcyara yatakondemu musheja tagabita niko kandi nyenda kwebaza abo bona bayikirize project kuraba those who provided us access kurabya pipes okubyara za tanka za tapa heziri nyenda kwebaza kakiko kamaizi mwebare munonga amaizaga ngaza kutambira abantu abintu kumanya nabintar kumanya abana babantu bakushomera Kiringa abantu bakora mu trading center onshoto madoka ni manya mu bantu kababiri ningomwe bonka abantu abo umwanya guza kutahe byagana mwizago ngabatanga inguzakar kom story ninde ngo munonga. I met William in Nakasongora and that time we met at a critical moment when some of the organizations had issues. And as chairman of the security committee, I played a big role. One time I went with a big team, Honorable Dan. I went with the generals and the police officers to go and settle matter in their organizations, and we successfully handled the matter, and there was peace. Someone was trying to spoil the image of the organizations, and we stood firm as government and gave them the support they needed. They have a number of projects, including building homes for the homeless. There are people who are displaced with floods, who had lost hope, and Annette and William have done a lot, including orphaned HIV-infected children. They have realized hope and they get access to education. They have everything. Thank you so much.